High blood pressure and hypnosis. Is it possible? In this video, I'll actually talk to you about how you can help clients, hypnosis clients who have high blood pressure, but there is a big caveat that I'm going to talk about now, which is whenever you are dealing with clients who have medical problems, unless you actually have a medical background and are certified to treat these conditions, then be very careful with your languaging within your contract and your boundaries within your clients. I always tell my advanced conversational hypnosis students to avoid using words like treating or curing medical conditions because that gets super freaking messy, and you really want to ensure that you remain practicing as a hypnotist for a very long time, right? So you want to really approach this with caution. Obviously, you want to look into your own rules within your state or province, wherever you are, to make sure that you are safe on your part. And of course, your client is safe. So now that that is on the side, we actually really want to address that, because you don't want to be claiming to be able to heal or cure all of these things, because that can potentially bite you up in the ass if something were to go wrong with that client. So first things first, save yourself, cover your ass, and also better for the client so they know for sure what they're getting. So, how can something like hypnosis help with high blood pressure? Well, one of the things that causes high blood pressure is stress, right? High blood pressure is the invisible killer these days for us human beings because we don't really know that it is happening until it's too late, until we get to the part where we have coronary artery diseases like heart attacks or atherosclerosis and etc. And so we definitely want to make sure that our clients obviously know this already, but for you as well, just do a bit of research as to what actually causes high blood pressure. And a lot of it is going to be stress related. So, as a hypnotherapist, you know that you can help with stress management, right? So, to really quickly answer that question, is how can hypnotherapy help with something like high blood pressure? Well, you can help that client to manage their stress so that as a result, eventually their blood pressure decreases. That is what you want to let your clients know. And, hypnotherapy can be very, very effective with regards to stress management. It is one of the things that actually really truly helps us with the stress levels, whatever hypnosis modality you have, even just for relaxation recordings, or if um, if you're trained in conversational hypnosis and you're using it, it doesn't really matter, right? I've had a client one time using conversational hypnosis where we worked on something completely different about her business, but she actually ended up having a very strong calm presence afterward. Her stress levels went down extremely low, even though that was not the main thing that we worked on. The reduced stress levels were a byproduct of doing the work we did. So definitely, um, hypnosis can help with high blood pressure. And if you are seeing a client who wants help with that, again, going back to the very first point, let them know that it is not about curing, but letting them know that your service is going to help them reduce their stress levels, which eventually will help them to eventually decrease their blood pressure. We're not curing anything, you're not touching any of their medications. We're going to avoid all of that, or you're just saying that you're going to help their stress levels. And a client who has high blood pressure knows how big um, high stress levels are with that, which affects their blood pressure. So I hope that this helped. I hope that that got you rolling. Definitely help clients out with this. It is an amazing thing. Help them with their stress levels because that can impact their health and really prevent them from having diseases moving forward. So let's make a massive impact together, one conversation at a time.